have a mattress, but let me guess, it's not as comfortable as it once was. Here are a few things you can do before kicking it to the curb.
You let me down.
These are a few handy-dandy tricks that will help make your mattress a little bit more comfortable before you have to bite the bullet and splurge on a brand new one.
This better work.
There can be a variety of reasons why your mattress isn't as comfortable as it once was, including just normal wear and tear over time. Keep in mind that most mattresses have a lifespan of about 7 to 10 years, so if your mattress is more than 10 years old, then we definitely recommend getting a brand new one. However, if your mattress is still young at heart and isn't on its deathbed just quite yet, then here are a few things you can try to do to help bring your bed back to life. It also might not even be your mattress itself. It can be due to its foundation or if it needs a brand new box spring, but we'll get to that in just a moment. All right, here are a few things you can do to try to make your mattress more comfortable. Now, if none of these tips or tricks work, then unfortunately it's probably a sign from the universe that you have to say goodbye to your old mattress and buy a brand new one.
You lived a very long, happy life.
But first, I suggest that you try flipping or rotating your mattress. Odds are you've probably slept on the same side of your mattress for years, so no wonder why your bed may feel worn out in some areas versus others. By flipping or rotating your mattress, you can even out the pressure and weight distribution. However, do keep in mind that some mattresses aren't meant to be flipped. Many mattresses have multiple layers that are specifically designed from top to bottom, so flipping it will have you on the support side instead of the comfort layers. Always check with the manufacturer to see if you're able to flip the mattress that you currently have before you actually flip it. If you are looking for a flippable mattress, however, we suggest checking out either the Plank Firm or the Layla Original Mattress, both of which we have reviewed here on our YouTube channel or over on sleepopolis.com. If you have a sagging mattress, you can also try rotating it so the side normally by your feet is now by your head. You'll be sleeping on a fresh part of the mattress, which will be less worn out. This part of the mattress should still feel brand new since it's less slept on.
Peter, it's brand new.
Next, you can try investing in a mattress topper. Adding a mattress topper can change the overall feel of your mattress, ultimately helping you get quality sleep if you don't have the money to splurge right now or just need a quick fix. Mattress toppers are a great way to change up the feel of your mattress or extend the life of a less than stellar bed. Mattress toppers are an extra layer you can put on top of your mattress to make it either firmer or softer, perfect for changing the look and feel of your bed without spending too much moolah. Just like mattresses, mattress toppers come in different variations to fit your needs. Are you a hot sleeper looking for extra cooling? There's toppers for folks who sleep hot. Do you currently have a softer mattress but suffering from lower back pain? There's toppers that are more firm and supportive to help ensure a proper spinal alignment. You can go ahead and click the link here to find some of our favorite mattress toppers on the market currently. You could also consider adding a mattress pad, which is surprisingly not the same thing as a mattress topper. Even though both mattress pads and toppers are both supposed to add a bit of comfort to an old or uncomfortable mattress, it's important to note that most mattress pads aren't nearly as thick or cushy as most mattress toppers. However, they can still be useful to add an extra layer of comfort. They can also add a layer of protection for your bed since they lay on top of the mattress and beneath your sheets. And finally, like I said earlier, it actually may not be your mattress's fault why it's not comfortable. It very well could be your foundation or your base. If your mattress is sitting on a poor bed base, it can affect the way the mattress performs. For example, before I started here, I had slats that were uneven, causing my bed to sag in different areas, ultimately worsening my back pain. But once I got new slats, that problem went away.
Problem solved.
If the problem isn't actually your mattress, then I suggest you inspect your current bed frame or box spring to check for any damages or imperfections. You might need to replace or fix certain parts or get a new one altogether. Even just adding an extra plywood board between your mattress and bed frame can make a huge difference in adding more support to the foundation. Now, hopefully one of these tricks will do the job and help fix your sad mattress. But if you're still struggling to sleep comfortably and it's not your mattress's fault, then here are a few other things that you should consider. First off, make sure you adjust the temperature in your bedroom for optimal comfort. The temperature in your room can sometimes even affect how certain types of mattresses feel. Next, make sure you find the right pillow that works for your sleep style and body type. The loft or firmness of the pillow you use could be what's affecting your sleep quality. And sleeping with a body pillow can also help make you more comfortable, especially if you're pregnant or sleep on your side. Make sure you have the right bedding that works for you. If you're a hot sleeper, then I suggest getting bedding with cooling properties. Sleep cold, then bedding like flannel or wool can keep you nice, warm, and cozy. And finally, headboards are not just for aesthetic purposes or for...
And he can rattle a headboard like a sailor on leave.
They can also help improve your sleep by making your bed more comfortable and keeping you more insulated at night. So if your mattress is not working out for you, then I definitely suggest you try out some of these tips at home to see if it changes how comfortable your bed is before having to splurge on a brand new one. Now, if you try any of these tips at home, let me know how it goes in the comments down below. If this video was helpful, thank me by liking it and subscribing to this channel, and I will see you here next time.